Hello guys, I welcome you down to this particular channel. This is a channel that tends to give out the best for you on how you can actually make money online at the comfort of your home. So in this channel we're going to talk about three key things. Firstly, on how you can actually trade on forex and crypto and make a huge amount of money, and secondly, how you can actually do affiliate marketing right from the comfort of your home without you having any product of your own. And the third one is how you can actually secure jobs online, execute those jobs and make money from it. I hope you're getting it right. Making money in the comfort of your home is one of the best things every individual should crave for. You don't have to go through your 9-to-5 job. You don't have to actually do the job you hate doing just because you want to make money from it, or possibly you don't have to keep obeying that boss that keep pressuring you and making life unbearable for you. That is the reasons why I introduced to you this channel, which is called Passive Income Idea. This is a channel that tends to deal with three key factors. Firstly, how you can actually make money by trading forex and crypto. I believe there are a lot of people that comes online and tells you how to make money, how they make a lot of millions, how they make a lot of billions of dollars while trading. So definitely it is true, but the fact remains that you trying it, you discover that that is actually a bullshit, right? So in this particular channel we're going to take you systematically how you can actually trade and make a lot of profit from it. There are a lot of things those people are not telling you, especially those YouTubers right here on YouTube. I hope you're getting it right. So in the course of this our channel, or in the course of our video content, we're going to show you step by step by which you're going to become a profitable trader, how you can actually understand the candlestick, how you can actually cite the different trends and market structure, how you can also notice the price action in every particular trade, what you should see before you enter into a trade, and also what you should see before you pull out of any trade, how you can actually become the best trader you could ever wanted to become, and also how you can encounter your financial freedom you always dream of. I hope you're getting that right. The next one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has always been one of the most lucrative online business everyone can ever imagine of. How will you feel when you're actually making a tons of dollars promoting other people's products without you having that particular product? So last month I've actually made a passive income of nothing less than $3,000 by only promoting the product of certain companies, which I'm going to be showing you step by step in the course of this our content. We're going to show you the best company and product that you can actually promote, and also the ones that actually have a recurring commissions that can actually give you 50 to 60, even 70% of their commissions down to you. All you just have to do is just to get those products, get the affiliate link, promote those products, and when you make sales with those products, they give you commission. And these things are very easy. You can actually stay in the comfort of your home, do all those things, and you can make a tons of dollars in the comfort of your home. The next thing we're going to be talking about is getting jobs online. There are a lot of people that tends to have a lot of skills, but they don't know how to monetize those skills. So in the course of this video, I'm going to be showing you various companies that tends to need that particular skills you have. Are you a writer, a copywriter, digital marketer, a graphic designer, developer, or whatsoever you think you have as a skills? Even though you don't have any skills, we're going to teach you on how you can equip yourself with different skills necessary for you to use to make money online. So also we're going to talk about different companies that tends to need your skills, and they are ready to pay you a lot of money by you offering your skills to them. We're also going to talk about various companies that tends to require a transcription and also a translators that tends to give you the best revenue you need as their worker. So all those things we're going to be talking about rightly on this channel. Our goal right here is to pull a lot of people from poverty range and also make sure you have a financial independent, time independent, and location independent. So all those things we're going to be talking about in this channel, and if you think this is very much interesting and you're going to gain a lot of value from this, do ensure you hit the subscribe button right there, hit the notification bell so you miss any of our videos. I'll see you again in another video. I love you and I hope to make money with you. Bye.